Listen, wait me back.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. That's when it gets to the highest. I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the love for a favor. I'm so faded up.
Wagwan KK squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna be doing a bunch of stuff to my hair. At one point this video took an unexpected turn so just stay tuned for all of that. But first, right now I am parting my hair because I just washed it and now I'm trying to get it detangled and you know, all the extra stuff. You already know how that process is. If you have natural hair, stressful, bad. So the products I'll be using in this video is the chai, bro, what it, I don't know. Anyways, yeah, you see it and you see that Silk Infusion chi. Yeah, now I'm just gonna damp my hair a little bit with some water because it dry out real fast, real quick. Anyways, people probably not take me serious. I listen to this, yeah, man, because I'm probably like, oh, that girl, yeah, man. Anyways, I'm gonna apply those two products to my hair. What I like about these two products is that it's not greasy. It makes my hair shiny, as you can see, all that shine just taking that, listen, and it make my hair soft, yes man, but it's not greasy and it was easy to detangle. As you can see, the comb is just, well, that little part they never that glide through, but the comb is just gliding through. Talk to me nice. Yeah, so I'm gonna do my little thing right here. So now I'm gonna section my hair off to use the blow dryer, and I have a whole video on this blow dryer. I'm gonna put the picture there or the link up the top up there. Very detailed video, so go check that out, go please. Anyways, I'm gonna start blow drying my hair, and look how this blow dryer it's just doing everything. It's just giving what it's supposed to give at this point. I love it. I really do love it, but I don't use it often. This is my second time using it because me and heat is not friends. Yeah, it's been how many years, but yeah. Alright, so baby girl, she grabbed the scissors real quick because you already know. Look at those ends. It's giving choppy, it's giving girl, you need to do better, it's giving lord, you stop to carry it here, it's giving a lot of stuff that is not supposed to give. So I'm gonna cut those ends down. This video it turned out to be a mini big chop, but keep watching because I started out like cutting the ends. So you see them little cut the way me I cut, but down the video I'm gonna be going in because listen, I started seeing things I wasn't supposed to see. My hair was not giving, but keep watching. All right, now sweater boss, listen, I have a lot of hair. Like on video it's not as much as it is in person, but this was a struggle, this was a lot. But baby girl hair is giving, it's giving volume, it's giving healthy, but not so healthy in real life if you look up close on those ends. Yeah, but volume is always there, I could say that. Yeah, look at it, girls. Oh my gosh, guys, Krissy is actually using a flat iron on her hair. What is life? What? Yo, listen, I was trying to do a silk press but keep watching because yeah. So this is a brand new flat iron, as you can see, by Vanessa Pro. It's nice, it's a good flat iron. I'm gonna be doing more explanation at the end of this video, but this was really good. Like, I like it. One of them cheap flat iron off Amazon, not too pricey, but it's giving. Not one of those bliss, but it's still giving, you know. So keep watching, cause this is a joke. At the end of the day, let me say, this is a joke. Keep watching. Guys, this is not working out. This silk press thing is not working out, and to be honest, it's not because of the flat iron, it's not because of the blow dryer, it's just because I have a lot of hair. And trust me, 80% of the time it's not fun having a lot of hair, because a lot of styles you just can't get right. Because this in the back, I did the back, guys, I flat ironed the back, and this look like how it's supposed to look blow dried. This doesn't look, you know, it doesn't look flat, neat and nice. It's just, I don't know. But you know me, I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna show you guys that it's not the flat iron. I tried to do it off camera to, you know, get the hang of it, but yeah. And plus I cut a lot of hair off. Like, when I say I feel like I did a mini big chop, to be honest, because with the blow dryer I didn't see all that needed to be cut, but once I start doing the flat iron, I could see everything, the split ends, the single strand knots, everything. Most people would just give up, but I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys. Alright guys, so the flat iron, it has a light on here that shows you the temperature. So I'm using 410. So it's up to 410 right now. Sorry, the grease on my hand, but let me show you guys. As you can see, the light, it shows you the temperature. I might just need to get this professionally done. Like, yeah, I don't want to burn my ears. Ooh. See, comes out like this, and it looks good, like the first, you know, the first row. But when I get to the top and all the hair together, it's like, what's good, you know? All right, so what I'll do now, see, now I can see the ends. It's not giving, guys. Today's like, it's trying to look good for today, you know, but certain style is just not for me to do, I guess, or just not for my hair. I don't know. The back I cut a lot off, but the front I'm trying to avoid cutting too much because I don't want it to be short up here while the back is long down here. So yeah, don't even know if I'm gonna put this video out. I feel like I just wasted a whole day. It's now 3 p.m. Yes, I'm gonna end up throwing this in a ponytail. That's what it is. So KK squad, I still ended up going through my hair with the flat iron. This side looked like it was trying to do something, so maybe it's me. It's my first time doing this for like 5 years. The last time I did a blowout silk press was 2017 when I had relaxed hair. I started my transition in 2018, and 1 year after I did my big chop. This is my first time trying this on my natural hair, so I don't know if my hair is in shock or what. This is my first attempt, but this was a hot mess. Sorry for wasting your time and also mine. Now I did all of this, probably have heat damage, I don't even know at this point, or nothing. But anyways, I feel like just calling this video. I'm gonna put my hair in a nice cute ponytail, middle part swoop, and call it a day. I'm over it. I'm gonna just stick to braids, and braids until my mother tip me. I'm gonna do something else with my hair, because when I had relaxed hair and I did this was hidden. If I find a picture, I'm gonna put it right here. I have pictures. When I used to do silk press, I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna show you guys how I used to do it, when I do it, how I do it. But anyways, sorry for wasting your time and mine. Guys, can you believe I've never been to a hair salon in America, and I've been in America for like what, 10 years now? Yes, 10 years and 2 months, and I've never been to a hair salon. But like up the videos, comment on the videos, so I can't afford these American hair salon, because a girl like me in Jamaica, it's way cheaper. Like in America, it's twice the price of what you would pay in Jamaica to do your hair. Yeah, so help a girl out, like up the video, subscribe, and you know, comment and stuff, so I can afford American salon and get this done professionally at this point. Anyways, thank you for watching. See you in my next upload. Bye.